Okay, so we're gonna see how to use the Wacom One tablet for teaching, especially using the Blackboard Collaborate. So Gina over here will show you how to do it.
Can I just go to my class?
Absolutely.
This one, okay. I just use one of them. So first one, if you want to go to Blackboard, collaborate, you just go over here. Okay, you just click this one, and you can edit, you know. And for me, because I want to help a student one by one, you know, so I just create this section, you know. Just make one for in case is my online student want to meet me virtual, so I have the link for them.
That's very nice.
Okay, so I just create one for them every class. It's different. But you want to general, you just go over here. We can join. This is for you don't need to, you know, just for the general. Okay. Now for this one, okay, because this one is for chatting. This is for the participant. Okay, we can see how many students come over here. So, but we can do the setting for this one. Okay, for this one, we just do whatever you want for your student. Okay, so now for the file, okay, so now for this one, so for whiteboard, okay, for whiteboard, I just X this one so become bigger, okay, and just move this one become bigger like this. But for Blackboard right now is different with last time, so you have to change with the you have every time you go like PowerPoint, change the slide, you have to click the drawing again every time.
Yes.
Okay, so just click this one. This is like pen. Which one you want to choose? And usually I just choose the smallest one because for this one is too big for me. You know, just put 2 or 1. And now from this one we can go directly because we can already use laptop. So just use like a pen. You know, just lay it down like this.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay, but for if you desktop, you don't have the what you call
The
it?
HDMI?
Yeah, it's mean you have to write down, look at the screen.
To kind of coordinate
Yeah,
with where
because
you're
it's
going.
not. This is become black. Okay, it's up to your desktop. Okay, so now for this one, if you want to clear because now it's different style. You know, I have to clear the whole thing, but you want to write down next to the next page. Okay, you have to do it again, like one by one, like this one.
Is there a way to save your annotations?
For this one, save. If you're recording, you're gonna save.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
I
if you're gonna recording, this one you're gonna. Usually, I always start recording over here for the student, but you have to if you was this low from Big Sandy. If you record everything, you have to make the caption.
Oh, yes. You have to go back and yes.
Yeah. So this is for the start recording. So you guys leave over here, yeah. So for now, if you want to do if you make a mistake, for example, you can just everything you just play around. You can use brush or eraser. Eraser you just do one by one like this. But you want to clear the whole thing, you just click like this. Okay, for this one, for us, for me, especially because I'm math.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
I use this one a lot. Okay, like make like this, depend on which one,
Yeah.
just play around with this one. Okay, for this one it's the same with what you want to type, check the like
This is nice.
yeah like this whatever that, but it's depend on the which one you want to play. Okay, I want to stop the sharing. I just click this one and this one for the whiteboard. Okay, when I want to share my application for my screen, to student, for example, I just go Chrome and I choose one. I want to choose my math. Okay, I just share this one, and I have this one.
That is so nice.
Okay, so now, but usually if we put like this one, it's not good. But I just use the other one, just window or and I can choose which one I want. Just play around with this one. Okay, like my math. I just click this one and share. See, we already online, so student will see, especially for you maybe connect or for me for my lab. But usually I just use the file PDF or PowerPoint, to share the material because I don't want my students see my stuff.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, this is for application for the screen. Now for this is share camera. This for if you want to share the your face, so you can see you, so you can make sure you're good with your student.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's good for you. Now for this share file, okay, so you can add any file over here. So I just check any class. Simple. Okay. So you can just download how many files you want this one. Just after that, just click over here and you just share over here. Okay. That's all like this.
That is so nice.
Okay, after this you can just write down, okay, make it bigger, and remember you always do click every time you want to change, especially if how many pages. Before we don't need to click one by one, but now it's different, everything is different. So the good one, so we can erase. Last time we cannot erase. If we erase the whole gun.
Yeah.
So every year is different. So for this one, you just write down, just explain to your student, this is your material, like that.
Yeah.
It's just like iPad, Okay.
Usually we like the PDF file for
Yeah.
this.
Sometimes if you use the PowerPoint, mess up.
Oh,
I don't know,
okay.
and like hang and something, freezing, whatever, But if you use the PDF,
It's
it's
okay.
like okay,
Wow.
yeah.
So you save your PowerPoint to PDF,
Yeah.
and then you share it over here. If you have a picture or drawing or a cell picture, you can
Just put
do whatever you
Oh,
want.
that's nice.
Yeah, so everything always, just put PDF because last time I used PowerPoint, I have trouble in my class.
Yeah.
So I have to,
Yeah.
I told my students be patient because I'm still working with
Yes, with the technology.
the technology. So this one, so I just erase, clear this one again and back again. Which one? How many? The file you have to put.
That's very simple.
Yeah, it's simple. That's not. As long as you want to work, play with that one. Oh yeah, for this one, before you create, because I want to create something, different one. Okay, that you just put, for example, test one. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah. For this one, you have to click the guest access first, and participant. Yeah, go. You start what the day you want to start. Okay. After that, I just choose maybe tomorrow. Okay, 1 p.m. and end is tomorrow the same. How many? Because I have a discussion once to one, to student. So like maybe 3 o'clock, But after that, you want to repeat, you just go repeat every. So it's mean repeat every week. So you just choose which one you want. So you have to create first,
This is cool. That's
Yeah.
very nice.
So
I will
this
use
is-
this for sure.
Yeah, this is if you want to use every week, but you don't only once, you just not repeat season. Okay. So after that, and every 10 minutes before, you did this one. After that, just go again to the setting. This is very important. You want to recording, you have to click over here.
Okay.
If not, the Blackboard is not. Okay, so low recording, and I don't show my privilege.
Yeah. Yes.
So especially the private chat. So you have to click, so we know the student not chatting behind us,
Yes.
So
yes.
just make sure, I just always click this one and do whatever you want to for your class. For this one, for the attendance, if they get late or whatever, so just give me how many percent so they get the attendance this one. So which one do you want? Okay, so late up 5 minutes, you get, this you're strict for your class.
Right.
Okay, after that you just create and save, yeah. Now, for example, if you want to share to your student, put on the Blackboard, you click over here and just
Copy the
copy
guest
guest link and
Where do you
put.
where do you post your guest link?
For I already create this one for my student. You see?
Do you just put it on the?
No. This one.
Do you do over by the course schedule or?
I put over here.
Okay.
This one I already create this one. Okay, so
Okay, that's nice. That way
yeah.
it's very easy to see for
Yeah.
students. Yeah.
yeah, this one I put Blackboard system to meet with your instructor. After that, I explain to this one, and the student just click this one.
Okay.
But you have to create. I just make like create this one. Yeah, for example, like create, but you put the link. Okay, the link so I can hide. Okay, so I can hide, and you just copy this one and put over here, and just explain right down over there, and just save it, and you got the link.
That's awesome. I will do that.
Okay, so this is good for, especially for me for math, because usually student, okay, what time you gonna meet me virtual, for online class. But for my face-to-face, I put two, every class I just put over here. So this good for student,
Oh,
because
absolutely.
sometimes they say to us in the class,
Very much so.
This why
They can
put
do it
this.
one-on-one.
Yeah,
That's good. That's
Yeah.
nice.
that everything is just like, the same like the Microsoft Word. Yeah, do the same thing like mouse, but we just use the pen.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, the same. But the first you have to download first.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's the key.
Yes.
Okay, but you know how to do the Blackboard right now. Yeah. So
Yeah.
make sure so you have an online class. Make sure you got just Git. For me, I like to go edit. Okay, if you're recording for this class, for example, you just go over here. Yeah. Okay, this is my classroom and one-on-one discussion because I already create. Yeah. So this one, you can see the view room report, manage this one, a view or recording. So in case you already record, but you have to wait, especially if you a big, file, you cannot. You just wait for me 1 hour.
Oh, and then it downloads.
Yeah,
Okay.
because take long.
Okay.
So after that, you can say, oh, already download. You can share, and student will see. For example, yes, student will see if our recording already on the Blackboard. The student you can see if you all recorded like that. So this is good for student. Okay,
This is nice.
yeah, I don't have recording.
Yeah.
So do you have question?
No, I don't think so.
So
Yeah.
after you download your recording, you view the recording, you download it. Yeah, you can save it in your file.
Yeah.
You can also put it on YouTube if you have a YouTube channel.
I do.
And
Yeah.
in the YouTube, they will actually give you the caption automatically.
Yeah,
That's-
that's easy for the
Yes.
class
Yes.
because
That's
it's
what I've used
hard.
for my captioning.
Yeah, if you put over here, it's hard because we have to edit one by
Go
one.
one by one and
Yeah,
type what you're saying.
Yeah,
Yeah, it takes
this why I
very
use
time.
YouTube, so it's easy for us,
Oh,
We
yes.
just like they put the captions so that we see, oh yeah, they're good like that
Yes.
because not work twice.
Yeah. That's good.
Maybe you can show your YouTube recordings format 150.
I don't have YouTube.
So,
I use my husband.
so he put it in my YouTube. So.
This is for my class, So all my Math 150. See, this for Math 150.
And she record this using the Blackboard
Yeah,
Ultra.
I don't use Zoom.
Yeah. Sometimes I use Zoom, sometimes I use Blackboard Ultra. But she's using the Blackboard Ultra to record and then review, download, and then after that put it in the YouTube channel.
Yeah. But if from the Blackboard, the screen is not the full screen. But if you use Zoom, it's full screen.
Yes.
That's why I use landscape. I don't use the
Portrait.
portrait, yeah. Because before I use that one is like small, you know. That's why it's better you're gonna use the landscape. I
This
just
is really
scan,
good.
yeah. For me, I just take it from the. That's good, you know, to learn a lot of things. I'll use a lot for this one because maths online.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah, sometimes, for your student, it is better if they have the lecture from yourself because you
Absolutely.
Yeah.
actually can specify which material that you will use
Yeah.
on your
Class.
lecture video.
Yeah.
If you just give them the, like
From
for example, the publisher video, that sometimes is too much.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. So
This is why I put every section. This is section for chapter 1, section 1.1, 1.2 because I saw them the video from publisher too, but they said too
Yeah.
too broad.
Too
yeah.
broad, so it's
I
not
agree.
focused.
For my biology, my intro to biology,
Yeah.
I have individualized lectures for every chapter.
Yeah.
But if the students would use those, they
Yeah.
would do much better on exams.
Yep.
Because the material I give is very specific.
Yep.
This will be important.
Yep.
This will most likely be an examination question.
Yeah, I agree.
Just trying to get them to view the lecture
Yep. It's,
is
and
tough.
the students say it's helped a lot because for me I give you the PowerPoint for the material and I for the example I make again another one. So
that's
I
good.
separate.
That's very good.
I don't put together. I just separate which one the PowerPoint for the material, for the theory, definition, everything. But for the exercise to help the student for the homework, so I just use some example for this one. So it helps them to do it. It's good.
That's very nice. I think you've answered everything. This has been really good.
Because this one we just play around.
Yeah. This is much simpler than I imagined.
Yeah, because I have this one to do this one.
Oh,
So this one I just play around. I just put my myself everything because
Yeah.
nobody because when I have class for math, the first time I use mouse for my class
that would be
because
difficult.
the first I don't have class. My student miss because I have face to face, and they say they miss my class. Because usually we have like joking.
Yeah, interaction. Yes, absolutely.
But after, how about I try to make online, use the collaborate, but they say it's different because sometimes I have to write with mouse. Math,
Yes.
can you imagine
Yes.
write the number,
Yes.
everything. So,
Yes.
but I'm glad my students were patient, very patient.
Yes.
And it's okay. We just wait for you. Just take your time. We understand as long as I can explain to them.
Yes.
That's why after that I talked to Judy and Judy, that's good idea, Gina. Okay.
Got things rolling for
Bye,
Wacom.
Gina.
Yes.
Good job. I'm so glad she's very nice. And finally, after that, everyone
Wanted to try. Yeah.
collect
Yeah.
by for
Absolutely.
faculty.
I hadn't heard of this, and then Lisa, she asked if I had a tablet, and I was curious, and I said, no, I don't think I do. And she said, well, would you like to try it out? And then I asked what all the functions that you could do, and I was like, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Because I would even, if possible, use it in lecture because I write so much.
Yep.
And the students could see me actually writing it and
Yeah.
underlining what's important.
Yep.
So
That's right.
that would be nice.
Because sometimes just read the PowerPoint, student not make attention.
Absolutely.
If make a line,
Yes.
then I
that's
remember.
important. Or a star.
Yep.
It's like, I'll remember that now.
Yeah. I remember past that is, there's a star over there.
Yes. Very much. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So I think if you need more, if you need more help, you can, contact us.
Yeah.
Then yeah, we'll be
Absolutely.
glad to help you.
I will for sure.
to put
Especially if you want to use Zoom, it's
Yeah.
different with the
I can
Blackboard.
show you. I usually use Zoom because Zoom is easier for me, and then the time is, if you have personal room, you can use personal room and then record it, and then you use your, for the Zoom you can use PowerPoint slide,
Yeah.
Oh,
and it's
okay.
better
Yeah.
picture on the
For the
PowerPoint
PDF,
slide.
not.
Yeah,
You
the-
cannot write
yeah.
out for the PDF.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
So
Just
yeah,
good
ju-
and bad.
yeah.
Yeah.
So for the collaborate, I suggest to use the PDF file when you want to write it down. But if you're using the Zoom, use the PowerPoint. It's better. Okay. So I think that's maybe I hope it helped you.
Yo,
And then
definitely. This definitely
Yeah.
helped significantly.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Then.
Thank you guys. I
You're
appreciate you.
welcome.